What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, is a very, very special day. I got my first MFG Co. custom vest. So, about a month ago, I recorded a video of how easy it is to go on their website and actually customize a vest for yourself. They make it super simple, man, so make sure you go check it out. I'll leave the link down below as well. But check it out, man, if you're looking for a custom vest. Christmas is on its way. If you want to get that special gift for someone, they have women's vests, men's vests as well. So go check them out, man. Just follow step by step, and then you'll end up receiving this in the mail. About 3 to 4 weeks later, because it is all custom. Let me open it up, and I'll show you what's inside. All right, kinfolk. So I just cut it open, man, and I'm going to show you exactly how it comes. Of course, you got your receipt here, and then like I said, it's if you go to their website and you go to the custom vest builder tab, that's how you get started there, man. So, check it out. It's in a t-shirt as well. That's super dope. First Classics. Sick. Appreciate that. And then let's get to the nitty gritty. Oh man, I can already smell the leather. Leather smells so good. I love leather, the way it smells. Oh, can't focus. This is sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, so there she is. So what this is the black cow leather. Man, it's super soft. Very, very nice texture with the white stitching. I went with the white stitching. Let me stick it on this one here, and I'll show you. We can get a close-up of exactly how it looks like. All right, kinfolk, this thing is so nice. So if you look closely, man, you can see, like I said, I did the white stitching. I did the top part smooth. They've got all different kinds of designs that you can put, or different type of stitching you can put up here. If you look at the website, maybe I'll drop some pictures in here. They just came out with some new ones as well. And they look so nice, man, so nice. That's part that you can design. I went with the no collar, the roll collar here. They also had the 1-inch. I also went with chest pockets and the side pockets as well. But the cool thing about this custom builder, man, is that if you go to their website and you don't see a certain, or if you see like a jacket that they have that's a certain type of leather, certain color leather, and you want that inquired into your vest, and it's not on the custom builder, all you have to do is email them. You get in contact with them. Like, I've seen vests to where the chest pocket tab on top is a different color leather than the rest of the vest. You can make this a different color leather than the rest of the vest. You know, of course, again, you can do all the stitching different color. So this custom builder site that they have, it's basically endless, man. The options are endless, and it's so amazing because they make it super simple, like I said. So you don't have to stick to just what's on there. You can contact them and give them your ideas, tell them what you're looking for, and they'll get it done for you. So and then if you go to their Instagram, First MFG Customs, you go to their Instagram, man, and they do lives like every week, and they show you different things that are coming out, different vest styles and color options and all kinds of stuff. So it's really cool, man. They stay in contact with you, and it's amazing. The company's an amazing company. So but let's get back into this one. So what this has, man, is it's got your zipper, which this is, if y'all know anything about zippers, man, this is the YKK zipper. And those zippers are the best in the business. Super durable. This one's actually super thick, man. The teeth are really thick. Very good zipper. So you got the zipper, but then on top of that, you also got snaps to where it covers the zipper. So you've got a nice, clean, smooth look throughout the whole vest, man. So nice. Like I said, you got your pockets here, chest pockets. Then your side pockets you got as well, which you can actually add leather inside of those also. I did not do that, but that's an option that you have as well. The back of the vest, just super smooth, man. I mean, look at it, just so nice, so nice. And then, like I said, the texture of this leather is just amazing. You also got the options to do stuff on the inside with the liners, which I loved. So that's where we went super custom on, was for myself, is on the inside. On the left side liner, of course, got to represent that America, baby. So you've got a very clean, man, print, the American flag. It's really cool to the touch, so I'm imagining that it's gonna feel really good once I put it on. I haven't put it on yet. So this side, of course, you got to represent Texas, because I am a Texas boy. Just the stitching is amazing, man. Nice and clean. The colors really pop on the liner, and just super impressed with how the whole thing came out. Now the back liner is the one I'm really stoked about. The boy had to go with his logo on the back. You got the knucklestv, man, because on their website you can actually upload pictures to them that you want on any liner. So you can put a full custom liner inside, and you can have whatever you want on the liner, man, that's the best part of this whole deal. Best part of this whole deal. So also the liners, so they make it to where you have a zipper on the inside of the liner, right? There's a zipper there. There's a zipper on the bottom. And there's a zipper on this side, the right side as well. What I'm assuming, if I'm wrong, please let me know, but this allows you to flip the liner out to where if you want to add patches to this vest, you can. That way, when you get patches sewn on, it does not sew your liner to the vest. So that is a really cool idea, man. That's a great, they think of everything. I'm telling you, man, this is super sick. I really, really love it. So that's just so nice. Logo came out sick. So there we go. Also, let me throw this sucker on. So I am a 2X. This is a 2XL. Again, I went with the no collar. So it fits perfect, man. Like, I've got the regular length vest. They also have the club style that's shorter. If you go for that option, you can. Of course, they got your knife holder. And then the other cool thing is, man, we'll zip it up real quick, that it comes also with a concealed pocket, right? But it's got two concealed pockets. One concealed pocket for your right hand draw. You don't even have to get inside the vest. It's right here on the outside. So you stick that bad boy in there. Boom. And this thing, man, is big enough to where, I mean, you can basically carry it full size. Right in there, like that. And then, you also have it on this side as well. Big old conceal pocket, man. Or if you don't conceal, you can also just, it's a regular pocket, right? Super deep, very nice, man. They also have an option to where they have a cell phone pocket on the inside as well, if you want that. I opted out of that. I did not get that, so we didn't go with that one. But, I mean, it's just super cool, man. I love how it came out. I love everything that you can do with the vest. The snaps are really nice. I mean, you've got a, I mean, you can hear it when it's going, when it's snapping. It's just, they just sound durable, man. I mean, it's really, really awesome. And then, like I said, all the buttons are hid. It just gives it a super clean look. So that's it, man. I mean, I'm so stoked about this vest. First, MFG, I really appreciate y'all reaching out, man, and giving me the opportunity to represent y'all with the custom vest that y'all allow me to build, man, on your website. Like I said, the customer service is amazing. So there we go, kinfolk. Like I said, man, go check them out on their website. It'll be linked down below. Give them a follow on their Instagrams. First MFG Customs. Also, First MFG Co. on Instagram. Go give them a follow. Let them know Knuckles sent you. And check out this montage of stuff. We'll see you in a little bit.